ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಭಾನುವಾರ ಸಂಜೆಯ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕೊಡ್ತೇವೆ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಬಯರ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್, and we really thankful to each one of you guys spending time in this particular session called understanding social media platforms and how effectively we can use a social media platform. Myself, Dhananjay Padmanabhachar, coming from Karnataka Home Buyers Forum, and this program is exclusively dedicated to all home buyers of Karnataka. And Karnataka Home Buyers Forum has been pioneered in last couple of months in engaging the home buyers associations, in engaging home buyers of Karnataka to help home buyers to identify and gain knowledge on the rights of a home buyer, and also helping the home buyers in a collective way of working together to strengthen RERA in a different Andolan mode of execution, and also talking to different government authorities, different ministers in the departments, and also communicating and with the right content to all the media personnel in the national and regional newspapers. Karnataka Home Buyers Forum has been pioneered in last couple of months in engaging more than 20 to 25 home buyers associations in Karnataka, and this is growing. And one of the important aspects and one of the important tools that we use in Karnataka Home Buyers Forum is social media. So there are a lot of cases, there are a lot of home buyers are still unaware of the fact how social media can be effective, how social media can be effectively used for the benefit of all the home buyers as a community, not as an individual alone. Yes, there may be some individual interest of home buyers to get their problems solved, but at the same time, as a collectively, as a home buyers, as a community, how we can join together with the help of a social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, right? So with that mindset in context, we are starting an enablement session today. And first 10-15 minutes, we will walk you through what are the different aspects of social media and what the statistics say about the social media, why the entire world is watching and observing what is happening in the social media, how important for the governments, how important for the organizations, how important for especially the citizens of this country, and specifically to home buyers, how important the social media is. And I will walk you through with numbers and also discuss about some of the typical challenges or mythological constraints that has been inculcated into the brains of the home buyers from so many years. What are those typical challenges and how to overcome those challenges to be active in social media to bring the required change that we wanted? That is all about the first 10-15 minutes of the entire presentations. And then after that, we'll go in live session. We'll take an example of Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter as an example. And we will walk you through how to use Facebook with the different techniques, how to use hashtags, how to use pages, how to create your account, how to share the contents of Karnataka Home Buyers Forum, how to ensure that the messages will go all around like a fire in the social media world. We will walk you through in example with taking one or two home buyers as a classic example, how they can leverage it. So with that context, and welcome to all Karnataka Home Buyers Forum core members, and especially Raghu sir, Rajgopala sir, Deepa ma'am, and everyone on this platform. who has been taking directions and leading the team entire. And the Karnataka Home Buyers Forum is not a single representation platform. This is a platform of all home buyers. This is a platform of all home buyers association having different leaders for their particular associations. So with that note, I wanted to start with presentations mode in terms of giving you the statistics of social media and how powerful the media is all about. Let me know once you're able to see the screen, and note that this program is getting recorded and the program will be is live on Facebook as well, in the interest of people who wanted to watch this live on Facebook as well. So is the screen visible, sir? Can someone confirm?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Excellent. So
Yes, sir, it is visible.
So one of the important aspects why home buyers are getting home dekha is multiple reasons. Builders cheat, builders delay the project and stuff like that, right? So how can we use the social media? So you may be heard about the terms like share, right? Online and digital branding, digital marketing, sites, right? Electronic platforms, sharing, device descriptions, creating contents around it, right? So all these aspects have been the fundamental of a social media. And the entire social media platform is built on people's emotions. Please understand, when the social media has been built, started with Facebook or any other platforms, one of the important aspects of human psychology is all about knowing what others are doing, right? What I am doing and what others are doing. In the sense, if you are in a marketing, if you are in a research area, what research I am doing, what the others are doing. If I'm into real estate sector, I'm doing this particular projects, what others are doing it. I'm a home buyer, I have purchased a particular flat, what others are purchasing in some other projects, how the projects have been executed. So it is the fundamental psychology of a human being to know what others are doing, and also to find out and get the learnings from others' mistakes, and also get inspirations from others' success. So all these informations are publicly available in the social media. If you look at the earlier modes of media, it's all about paper, it's all about TV. But today, the world has been evolved in the social media, and the information is available through social media networking sites to the people of the entire world publicly. Very, very important. If a print media circulates a paper, the paper will go to people who consume the papers. Whereas in social media, the message will go all around. It's like a fire in the forest. That is the power of social media. And what are the different channels that you come across? I just put across some of the important which I know. Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, Skype, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and you will see all these kinds of social media which is predominantly popular in the entire world. So why I took only these 4 or 5 names, I will give you the statistics in the subsequent slide. This is one of the important statistics that I retrieved from statista.com. As per July 2020, Facebook, the number of users, active users in Facebook monthly is around 2.4 billion. Can you imagine? And YouTube, 2 billion. WhatsApp, 2 billion. Messenger, 1.3 billion. WeChat, 1.1 billion. Instagram, 1 billion. TikTok, 800 million. If you look at the top 4 or 5, you will find out how many users are there in the social media? Facebook is being the prominent and the leader in the social media segment. This gives a very good statistics of how things are moving around the world. If you want to just compare, 1 billion is nothing but 100 crores. India is a population of around 130 crores. And the Facebook users is close to, as per the latest numbers available in Google, 3 billion monthly active users. That means 300 crores users are active in Facebook. 2 billion monthly users, active users on YouTube. 1 billion people are active on Instagram. 400 million, close to 400 million are active on Twitter. These 4 important tools are going to be used by Karnataka Home Buyers Forum for the Andolan that we are trying to bring in, for the movement that we are trying to bring in. So because of the COVID strict guidelines, because of the COVID regular guidelines, we cannot do a physical protest because we need to respect the government regulations and orders. With keeping all this in mind, social media is a very, very powerful technique, very, very powerful tool for voicing out home buyers' concerns, for voicing out home buyers' problems. Imagine 3 billion people on Facebook, 2 billion people on YouTube, 1 billion on Instagram, and close to 400 on Twitter. These are the very, very important statistics I wanted to give. Close to 640 crores user base we have in our fingertips. This is the power of social media. And if you look at the trend, number of social media users have been consistently increasing on year basis. This is also once again Statista report, which is published in 2018. This is not the latest one. This is the one which I could able to figure it out, which gives a very important trend that you can see. In 2015, 142 million users were there in India. We are talking about only India perspective. From 142 million, it has grown up to 336 million in 2021. This is a statistical numbers. Close to 33 crores or near to 40 crores, which is almost like 40% of the entire Indian population is on social media. Please understand the power of the social media and then how can we leverage it? Very, very important concept. Why people are not aware of the social media is because of the education issues, because of the fear. I list down very, very important aspects of some of the challenges faced by general public, including home buyers. One of the important aspects is fear among the home buyers. What is that fear? Today, if I post something against a builder, whether it will come and bite me in the future? Yes. That if you are making false allegations, if you are making unconstitutional wordings and stuff, yes, it can bite anybody. But please remember, for telling the truth, for telling the facts, people don't need to fear about the social media. If you are making anti-social, if you are making anti-national propaganda, or if anti-communal propaganda, then you need to fear about social media. Social media should not be used for these things. Social media can be used for raising out your voices, where you're bringing your problems onto the public. This is another platform. The way we communicate to media, press media, or print media, TV media, social media is also another way of platform which is provided free of cost. Please remember, which is provided free of cost, which exists on your fingertips. Very, very powerful technique, and which is regulated as well. In India or any other country, the contents will be regulated and will be monitored by the regulatory authorities. But please remember, for voicing out your problems, for telling the truth, you don't need to fear. This is one of the important aspects I wanted to make it very clear. I have been a social media activist, social media strategist from last 10 years. So far, I will walk you through some of the important aspects that we try to solve with the help of social media. I will give an examples in the later sections as well. One of the important aspects is, please do not fear yourself for publishing your problems, for publishing what pain, challenges that you are undergoing as a home buyer, and voicing out in the social domain. This is very important. Second, social branding. What does it mean? Suppose if you start publishing about home buyers' problems in your personal profiles, some people will start thinking, "Arey ye social activist ban gaya hai kya? Is he protesting all the time? Is he making some noise against the government? Is he joining some politics?" No. This social branding, the friend circle that you are around will try to create it through informal chats, through informal communications, and they try to brand you in a different way, which is completely wrong. Please, I wanted to eliminate this from the brains of all the home buyers. Please don't worry about the social branding. You are fighting for your rights. Whenever anybody under the constitutional rights is voicing out his problems and challenges in the social media, nobody should be branding them. For even if they want to brand them, you are acting, you are contributing for the cause of the entire society. If they want to brand you are a social activist, fine, accept it. If they are branding it as a protest against the injustice happening, fine, accept it. If they're branding it, saying that you're fighting against the corruption, accept it. Very, very important aspect. Acceptance of a social branding for a good cause should be a welcome move. Please understand, this is very, very important. Some people are feared about sharing the content in their personal profiles because of these social branding fears, and as well as fear among the home buyers about the builders or anything like that. So please, these are the very, very two important aspects. Please come out of this. And the third point, if you are a history reader, there is a Chanakya Shastra or Chanakya Niti which says, if you are a king, please do not disclose your cheating to anyone. But Chanakya Niti at the same time says, if you are cheated, please fight back. Please fight for your rights. So there is a lot of confusion. People try to create among the home buyers, saying that, "Arey yaar, don't tell your, whatever happened to you. Arey yaar, cheating ho gaya, you should not disclose this." This is exactly what people try to narrate, try to stop the fight against the corruption, try to stop the fight against the injustice. If something is not right, it is a fundamental duty of every citizen to come forward and fight for the justice. And if you are cheated, please publicly tell, "Yes, I have cheated." But whose mistake? It is the system issue. It is a failure of the government. It has nothing to do with you. I want to quote this. Yesterday, I met Honorable Chairman of RERA, and I had accompanied by Mrs. Deepa from Web City as well. And in front of us, he made a statement saying that you have made a bad investment. Please accept it. I am telling you on this platform to Honorable Chairman, sir, we did not made an bad investment, we just made an investment. It become bad because of the failure of the system, because of the failure of the RERA, because of the failure of the state government. Investment of owning a house become a bad investment. Please don't put the blame on the home buyers of your failures. And the third one, fourth point, very, very important point, ego clashes. What do you mean by ego clashes? There are a lot of home buyers on the platforms, in the society, those who are all leading enterprises, or leading doctors, or leading businessmen, or anybody who is a very, very highly knowledgeable person in the society. He can also get cheated. He can also get cheated. Not by his mistake, because of somebody else's mistake. So during that time, there is always a clashes. I am the head of a company. Should I disclose I got cheated? What people will think about me? I am a doctor. If I disclose I got cheated, people will look at me in a different way, saying that, are doctor bhi isko bhi cheating ho gaya kya? These kind of ego clashes will happen within your brain. I have a live example of one of the doctor when we're dealing with social media strategy in Mantri Serenity in 2020. We had one very good doctor. I don't want to name the person. That lady is a public speaker and comes in most of the local channels regarding health tips, regarding health issues and concerns, and how Mane Maddu Ayurveda can become an excellent treatment for the entire society. When I met that lady and told her to be part of this session, and she said, sir, I'm a public speaker and I have a lot of clients. What they will think if they know that I got cheated? So this is exactly an ego clash that happens between internal souls, saying that should I come forward to fight or not? Should I have to fight for the justice or not? And these are the important aspects which builders will take advantage. Please remember these confusions, these ego clashes that happens in brains of home buyers, confusions, social branding, fear. These are the four important aspects. Builders and the society will take advantage of it, and we continue to be cheated, and the home buyers continue. It doesn't mean that I'm not talking about Mr. Dhananjaya. Today, with the last couple of years of experience of dealing with real estate projects, RERA, we have gained the knowledge. And what we are trying to do is passing on this knowledge to the society so that another fellow home buyer should not get cheated. I don't consider myself as alone. I'm part of the system. And my responsibility and duty includes not only to protect myself, but also ensure my future generations, not only my family, but the society, also get knowledge about the subject and also stop the cheating. That is one of the reasons why we started this entire campaign of Home Dokha, passing on the knowledge so that the fellow home buyers in the future can take appropriate steps so that they don't get cheated. It is always, if you talk to any wise man, they always say, you don't need to learn from your own mistakes all the time. Sometimes you have to learn from others' mistakes as well, right? So we do mistakes, learn from the mistakes, but don't, when there is an opportunity to learn from others' mistake, please learn from it. I want to quote, I have met one important lady. I want to name that person, Mrs. Irani. When we met this lady in front of a chairman, in front of a committee member, after she came back and we all together, 5-6 people were together, and she made one statement saying that, sir, why we should stand in front of a bureaucrat when there is a seat for a visitor. It is the responsibility of a citizen to get their fundamental rights. Very, very simple example. Why you need to stand in front of a bureaucrat? He is a public servant. You are a public. You don't need to stand in front of a bureaucrat. We think bureaucrats are dropped from the heaven. No, they are all like ours. They are all like one among them. They are public servants. So with this notion of Babus of British era still not gone, is our mindset have been changed? No. That is why we need to learn from the mistakes. When I yesterday visited the secretary's office, the moment I entered into the RERA office, I sat on the chair which is available for visitors. That is a learning that I got from Mrs. Irani. We need to learn from others' mistakes.
DJ sir, I want to say a few words here.
Yes, yes, sir.
I would want to give a small 2 points and one example.
Yes, sir.
Now, what you are right on, bang on all the points. Coming to confusions of the home buyers, I can put my nephew's birthday photo. I can share some laddu. I can share jalebi, but I cannot share my pain. I should not say I invested 60 lakhs or 80 lakhs or 1 crore in some project. I got cheated. And you must remember, in our current system of justice, it takes a long time.
Yes.
And the courts are also very expensive.
Yes.
Now, any individual here who is sitting in this forum now is part of a larger network of friends, family, and everybody.
Correct.
If you are hiding, you are able to say all your accomplishment. I have become a big boss. I have become general manager. I have become vice president. I have become this. I have become that. But when the system is cheating you, you don't want to say that one, and you don't want to leverage the support of your friends, network, and family. That is how all the nonsense in the system is getting washed out under the carpet.
Exactly.
Now, so that is the main impediment for. I see DJ sir every day is producing so much content. I have produced ton-loads of content 5 years, but none of my home buyers or your home buyers or any home buyer is actively getting into social platform. The reason being, oh, I don't want to be identified. Surveillance will be happening if I cannot tell my true story. My question is, if you cannot tell your story, if you cannot fight for your 60 lakhs, if you cannot fight for your flat, who else will fight for it? Nobody. A simple saying in English, if I don't stand for my rights, nobody else will stand for me. And finally, before that, I will give you a small example between all of us middle class, upper middle class buyers and what is people's power in Bangalore. Way back in 2018, there was a big scam called Ambient Fraud. What is that? A chit fund company, it invests deposits and says, I will be paying 30% interest per month. Means if Dhananjay sir paid 1 lakh rupees, I am saying I will give 30,000 rupees every month interest. So more than 15,000 people in RT Nagar, Gangainalli and adjoining areas, they all invested in this company. So the company went on very well for 6 to 9 months. Every month, Arey, what is this, Ray? 1 lakh rupees, already I got 60,000, already I got 50,000. What profit? Must be maja. So they made these people only as viral marketing people. So they say, you will get more interest, sir, if you get 10 people in network. That time, what all these, even auto rickshaw drivers, they went social media platform and network with all their family, friends, everybody. So
Right.
like that, 100 people became 10,000, 15,000 investors. After the 10th month, the company stopped paying any interest. After the 12th month, they stopped honoring any request for refund of principal. By the 14th month, their office is closed down. This is in public record, it is available. Now, suppose we were all there, what we would have done? We will not network, we will not do anything. Because we got that fear, no? Oh, Facebook mein mera naam aa jayega. They will tell Raghu is telling about this project, that project. So something will happen. But they are all not like that. They saved money for mother's treatment. They saved money for daughter's marriage. They saved money for son's engineering education. What they did? What have they done? 1,000 people marched from RT Nagar and went to Vidhan Sabha and garroted the Home Minister. They said, we are not going until you solve this problem. What is this nonsense, sir? Why the company is closed? Who are the Maliks, sir? Some Ibrahim, some Abdul, some Raghunath, some DJ, something and all. They're telling them nobody is there and our office is closed. I don't know, sir. We are all not going home. We are all bikaris anyway. We will sleep in the footpath only in Vidhan Sabha. We don't know what you are going to do. You solve the problem. Then what happened? So the Home Minister got no other way. He cannot do anything. So immediately he called the DIG and said, set up a special task force. Sir. You won't believe it. 3 months time.
Yes.
Whole investigation completed and money trail established. They also found out this 10,000 crore rupees. These fellows invested in Bitcoin and Bitcoin was trading 24,000. It became 2,000 rupees. When it became 2,000 rupees, they looted the money and escaped. But everybody got into charge sheet. All cases filed. Investigation complete in 2 months. Why? It's people's power. They don't have hesitation. They don't worry about going to footpath. They don't worry about garrowing minister. They have no hesitancy about sharing their problem and making it public. So we must take inspiration from that. I will let it go with this one. So tomorrow, if you have to go to the Supreme Court to fight for a Karnataka home buyer justice, it needs lakhs of rupees. One appearance is 3 lakh rupees. If you don't leverage your friends, network and family, from where will we get all that money? You are already cheated of 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. Can you spend 5 lakh rupees? No. Unless you use your social media platform, crowdsource the money from your friends, family and relatives. For that you have to establish that you have been cheated, that your dreams are shattered. So that's all I wanted to say to you. Clarify a little more about the fear of home buyers, and I will rest my case here and allow DJ sir to continue.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, Raghu sir. I think one very, very important case study that you have given. But is that what inspiration that we need to take from that case study is how to fight back with the people's power, right? So should we have to go and sit like what they have done on the road?
We have to do both. First of all, we have to start the digital campaign. We have to digitally own our problem.
Yeah.
Connect to all our family friends, make an issue. Then when enough forces are there, go to the physical action and also go to the legal action, which costs a lot of money. And if you don't have a network, I am a cheated home buyer. I can't be expected to spend 1 lakh rupees every month to Supreme Court. Then I leverage my Facebook network, my family, friends, everybody.
Yes.
That is all my points, sir. Thank you very much.
Excellent, excellent. Thanks a lot, Raghu sir. I think home buyers, we need to understand, some of these things we need to take inspirations and take step by step, right? So right now we are in an age, we are 2 months old, established organization now in creating this platform. And if you observe from December 5th onwards, there are 15 articles that has been come out in the print media. Right, there are multiple statements that is given by the housing minister. There are multiple statements from RERA, multiple statements from deputy commissioner, and we are seeing some actions being taken by the respective departments in a very, very slow manner. The reason is we are slow. Home buyers are slow. I will walk you through how we are slow and how we can accelerate that process, and then how, if we can come across these 4 important things, ego clashes, come out of the ego clashes of yourself and confusion on this and social media branding and fear. So these are the 4 important aspects. If we come out of these 4, start gaining the knowledge, learn from the others' mistakes. Please watch the videos. Videos are being created not just for the sake of fun. Yesterday, when we are discussing with one of the home buyer, he discussed one important aspect without OC. When a home buyer gets into an apartment, how pressures he has to undergo as a home buyer from the bank who has lent out the loan. It's a big learning. It's a big learning for all the home buyers who are registering the flat because of the builder's pressure. Please don't register your flat without OC, because tomorrow anything can happen. So this is an important learning from the mistakes. So please understand, this is very, very important, and fight for the justice of home buyers. When I say home buyers, fight for yourself first. Very important point which Mr. Raghu sir told. If you don't stand for your own rights, nobody else can stand for you. But if you start standing for your own rights, people will join you. This is an example I wanted to showcase with live examples, how it can be successful. If you stand for your rights, people will join you with the like-minded, and you don't go anywhere else. Karnataka Home Buyers Forum was started in December timeframe, November timeframe. When we went for the first time, believe it or not, it was 4 or 5 people who joined for the meeting. Then after that, it was 30 plus. After that, the momentum kicked up. So if you start standing for your rights, people will join. This is a very, very important message. 4 things you need to come out of it: to gain knowledge, learn mistake from others, then fight for the justice. So with that note, I wanted to conclude this slide session and then go to the live examples on Facebook, taking an example of Facebook today. And then I will walk you through how powerful the technology is and how to make it more powerful with your involvement. Okay. So stay
Sir,
tuned.
I want to add a point.
Yeah.
Sir, why cannot, at least if they are so this one, why cannot like and share in their homepage? What will be the, at least that way that 200 people who are getting only 8 or 9 lakhs in Facebook or Twitter every day.
Correct.
If the group has 200 people, why cannot we get 150 or 160 people?
Correct. So I will walk you
Likes
through
in
the
this
problem.
one.
Yeah, exactly. Very good point that you brought in. So what I do is I will walk you through now the fundamental
No,
basic.
yeah, another thing is there some shortages are, means builders people are there in the group. They are making the group number high, and that I am doubting now.
Sir, can we focus on the social media steps now? Then probably we'll discuss
Okay,
in our internal meetings. Okay.
Fine.
So, in the interest of everybody's time, what I do is I will share the screen. Just confirm me once if it is visible. Is it visible?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So what you need to do is first you need to log into facebook.com and search. If you go here, let me go. When I got to log into Facebook page, you will log into your personal page. This is my personal page called Dhananjaya, right? So this is my personal page. And if I go to click on this, you will see the posts of Mr. Dhananjaya, right? So this is my banner. This is the book that I have written. And this is my photo where you can see RERA Karnataka Mane. This is my profile pic. The reason I have put this as a profile pic in my social media, I am very active on social media on some of the other issues as well, not only on home buyers, but I deal with many other issues. And when I post, RERA gets in there. Please understand, and what I'm trying to educate is how to create an impact. Wherever I make a comment, this profile pic will be noticed in those segments. So I want to make sure that wherever I comment, RERA is seen by the people. This creates an impression and mental, psychology on some of the issues, right? So I just posted about some of these aspects and a lot of other things, right? So I will come to this place. So this is yesterday's video, right? So what I did is I just copied the content. I will show you this content in the home buyers page as well. So I just copied this content with hashtags, right? And pasted in my personal profile. So what you need to do is just go in the home page. First thing for any home buyers, search here Karnataka. The moment you say Karnataka, can you see what are the things that is popping up now? The moment I type Karnataka, your Karnataka Home Buyers Forum is the first organization which is getting listed. After that, you are seeing Karnataka Rashtra Samiti. Can you see the impact of social media intelligence being built within the Facebook? The moment you type Karnataka, you will get Karnataka Home Buyers Forum. Okay. So here you will see this particular page, and what you need to do is for everyone, first thing is like this page. Okay. If I go to this, click on this, you will get to the first page of Karnataka Home Buyers Forum. So you will see the logo here. You will see the banner here. And if you see how many people have liked this page, is very, very, very minimal. Okay. We have more than 2000 people with this connected platform, but the number of likes is around 300 plus. Why? The first thing you need to do is like the page. Can you see the live session is going on here? This is the live session which is going on because the page is live, published through Zoom. I'm using Zoom platform, right? So this page, if you look at the page insights, can you see the page insight? The people reach is gone to 34,000, near to 34,000 in last 1 month. In last 1 month, 34,000 people reach, which is up by 120%, 100% upgradation. Post engagement is around 5,000. Based on this, Karnataka page, Home Buyers Forum is in the first list when you type Karnataka, right? And the page like have increased by 160% in last 1 month, right? If you look at the insights, statistics, last 7 days, this is 16,000 plus, post engagement is this much, right? So my question to each one of the home buyers is, please understand the power of social media. 34,000 people in 1 month, not a small thing. How many people are talking about this? I will discuss with you guys. Okay. So all the posts, if you can see here, you will see all the posts that has been done. And this is one of the important posts that we, but if you look at this, distribution score is minus 0.37%. Forget about all these things, statistics. But what each home buyers should do is very, very simple. Whenever any post is being displayed, please listen to the videos. Very important, because we learn from the mistakes. Whenever you have free time, please listen to it. And just click the button like. First thing. If you want to make a comment about the video, use the place called comment. Most important is like and share. You will see an option here, share, and more options. Share, either you can share to a group or share to a page, right? If you go to a mobile, you will see other options of sharing into your profile handle. Since I am the admin of the particular page, I'm not getting that option to share in my own page. Each one of you should get an option to share in your profile. Okay, so very, very important. You can get the copy link if you want to share it to through WhatsApp, right? So the link is getting copied. Just copy the link and paste in your WhatsApp channels, right? So this is a very, very important. Just like and share. Okay, so this is exactly what we need to do. I have not liked it because since I am the content originator, I did not like this here. What you need to do is share. This is one important thing. Second one is go to the individual one. Either you can do this way, or what I typically do is I will share this in all the groups that I am part of it. Along with it, copy the content and then share it in my personal profile. Very, very important. So I will go to Mr. Belavadi Divakar. He is one of our home buyer. Okay. So he is posted on January 24th about his contacting and all, and then some videos about his stuff. And we met JERA chairman on January 23rd. So, right. So these are the pages and all which has been getting posted. And this one image he has posted, right? But there is no hashtags. We are unable to search this with hashtags, right? And not all home buyers are not sharing the contents. Very, very important. I will walk you through how hashtag works. If you look at this particular page, I am here. And if you just go to this place called Home Dokha, okay, just click on this hashtag Home Dokha. Can you see number of people are posted about this? Karnataka Home Buyers is posting about Home Dokha. The Greens Buyers Association is posting about Home Dokha. Again, Dhananjay Padmanabhachar is posting. Again, Dhananjay Padmanabhachar posted in this particular group. Dhananjay Padmanabhachar posted in Samajika Karyakartara Vedike. This is a group. Then once again, Dhananjay Padmanabhachar. Once again, Karnataka Home Buyers Forum. You are getting the point what I'm trying to tell you. When I click on with this button, You will see only Mr. Dhananjay Padmanabhachar or Greens Buyers Home Forum or Malka Irani. Malka Irani has posted this. I can see her post. And if you just drag through it, I can aram say get to know who are all actually, posting in the right channel, right way. Divakar has posted about this. So the reason is it is fetching through the hashtag called Home Doka. Okay. So I don't want to discourage anyone who is posting it here, but we need to post in a right manner. For example, Nitin has posted. So Nitin Dev has posted this, right? So you just use these hashtags. Okay. And Mr. Subrato Sen has posted with the hashtags, right? So this is very, very important, home buyers, very, very important technique, very, very important. And please don't worry about the strategies. And I will tell you, I have posted about, and I'm using the hashtags very, very intelligently and very, very much more effective way. For example, I'm posting with the hashtag of Mr. Basavaraj Bommai. If you look at it, 6.7K people are talking about Mr. Basavaraj Bommai. Who are all those? Karnataka Home Buyers Forum is talking about it. Greens Buyer is talking about it. Once again, Dhananjay Padmanabhachar is talking about it. Right? And all our posting can you see here? And also their personal postings, whoever is using with that hashtag, Mrs. Sumalata is talking about Mr. Basavaraj Bommai. Can you see the difference? Can you trying to understand how impactful the hashtags are? Imagine if 10,000 home buyers are tagging the Chief Minister of Karnataka with Home Doka hashtag. Imagine how much revolution you can bring in. Mrs. Malka Irani has posted this. Let's go to RERA approved projects. There are 1.2K people posting about. We are not talking about repeatable posts. It's all about people, unique identified users of Facebook. If Karnataka Home Buyers post, it is taken as only one user. 1.2K people are posting about RERA approved projects. Once again, same Dhananjay Padmanabhachar, Greens Buyer, Karnataka Home Buyers Forum. Where are the other people? Very, very important, guys. Hashtags are very, very important. I will just go back to another one. And one more important, we're talking about Mr. Prime Minister of this country. There are 374K people are talking about hashtag Narendra Modi. That means your posts are getting attached to your Prime Minister, where 374K people are talking about it, where Karnataka home buyers are getting populated. Dhananjay has user is coming out. SGRC, Raghavendra Bank, that is coming up. They are talking about Prime Minister. Aryan Khan is talking about Prime Minister. Times of India, Times Now is talking about Prime Minister. Can you imagine? Can you trying to get the methodology of how hashtag works? Your messages are going to be populated among these many users. If we don't get the number of unique users of home buyers, the message will not go straight. If only 4 or 5 people speaking about it in the social media, it will create impact in a slow manner. If it would have been 1,000 people talking about it daily, if Karnataka home buyer is posting some content, if 1,000 people immediately post this with all these hashtags that we are cut across this year, these hashtags have been designed. This is not just this, there is a strategy, social media strategy, which has been applied here. If you look at, I will click on Mane Kodi Swami Mane Kodi. Here also Malka Irani is talking about it. Karnataka home buyers is talking about it. I'm just trying to give an example. Our Raghu sir video is been posted. Mane Doka is coming up. And then once again, Dhananjay publishing in public TV, that is coming up. Greens Buyer Association is coming up. Where are the other users? Where are the other home buyers? Is it Malka Irani, Raghu sir, Dhananjaya and Karnataka Home Buyers Forum page can bring transformation? Guys, please understand, definitely not possible. We need each and every one of you to contribute. Can you see this? Mantri Serenity Home Buyers Forum has posted a video of the Commissioner of Police that is also getting tagged with this Mane Kodiswamy. Whenever we design strategy, we design strategy in such a way that everything linked together based on the situations. So please understand there is a strategy which is being built. Social media need to be strategized. Until unless you guys contribute, it cannot be successful. So with hope you guys understand the hashtag techniques. Any questions, feel free to ask. I will be more than happy to walk through the power of social media with hashtags. Any questions?
Yeah, actually, whenever you send any video, I just copy it and I post in Facebook. So when I like copy it and paste in Facebook in my personal profile, automatically that it is copied with the hashtags also, isn't it?
Yes, exactly. So what you have to do is, see, very simple step I will tell you, right? One question I will attend at a time. So let's go to one of the Karnataka Home Buyers post, right? Let's go to this. So what we need to do is, first thing is to like the page, right? And then go to the content. For example, here the content will be added later. And just say, just copy this content. For example, if anybody want to try online, I can able to help. So just right click, just select, right click, copy, okay? And then go to your personal profile or home page of your Facebook and then just paste. That's all you need to do. And change your signature here. If it is a personal profile, change it to Mrs. Deepa. That's it. Your identity is Mrs. Deepa Karnataka Home Buyers Forum. This is a platform for all the home buyers. What you need to change when you are making your own statement, you just copy the content. And if you want to make some massage around this particular content, please do that. Do not change the hashtags. Automatically, this will pops up. Just copy the content and paste your personal thing. This is one way. And another one way is just go to the page, Karnataka Home Buyers Forum. Okay. And there is an option to share. You can also share via Twitter. You can share via WhatsApp. Go to here and then share to a group. You are a member of it. Share to a page. You are owning it. For example, let me show a page. So can you see the pages here? Karnataka Home Buyers Forum, I own it. Discussion Class Association is a registered NGO that I own it. Netaji Katte Balaga is a page that I own it. Bhrashtachara Mukta Bharata is a page that I own it. Mantri Serenity Home Buyers Forum, VS Cozy Apartment, Dhananja, my personal page. Road Veko, Gundi Beda, Shri Vasishta Credit Savarda Savakara Depositors Forum. And then Aruna Chetana, this is one of my friends' page that I've created. I still own the rights. And then Ruksha Rakshati Rakshitaha, Parking Beku, Looting Beda, Maitri Foundation, and Pratima, one of my friends. And then Maitri Foundation is another NGO that I created the page for them, right? So these are all some of the pages that you can paste, whatever is the relevant. These are the pages that I maintain for different purposes, right? For example, let me share this content in Mantri Serenity Home Buyers Forum, right? So whatever the content I copied, just paste it here and share. It is pasted. How do you going to check? Just search it here. Mantri Serenity Home Buyers Forum. There are 544 people. Whenever I make any post in this, 554 people automatically get an alert. Can you see this? The post has come in with all the hashtags. So I'm going to change the content of this. Please don't worry. That for the sake of showing an example, I just posted here. Okay. So this is how we should use the hashtags copy paste option in a page that you own it. And believe me, guys, I wanted to give a very good example. Social media is very powerful. Very powerful. This is a registered ATG registered organization called Discussion Class Association. This entire NGO is driven with the help of social media. This is the latest post. This is the latest service that is rendered through this organization. The Youth Day celebration happened on January 12th, and book donations. And then we got the ATG upgradation and stuff. So some update came on January 13th. The entire NGO runs on social media donations. We support 107 students. This is one example that I wanted to give. Another one is Mantri, right? Mantri, you just now saw this entire page. If you go there, you will find out what exactly happened in Mantri Serenity in 2020, how the protest got started, how digital protest has helped, how things have shapen up, and then how to leverage the in-person protest and how to use the connects that you have, right? And exposing and ensuring things you take it in the right directions. And you can see, when you were wishing Deepavali Habbada Hardika Shubhashayagalu, right? You are wishing with Deepavali wishes along with tagging on your panel platform, right? So with all these things, we are tagging to RERA, Mantri Developers, Mantri Serenity. You are getting the point? So like this, there is a strategy that need to be built if you want to make social media successful and give results, right? So this is the current status that we published in July 31st. After that, we made some visits, but not published, right? So there's a multiple strategies that we need to put across to make any successful andolans, right? And these are the complaints that we're tracking from the association perspective. We're publishing in social media as well, right? So there is a different way, guys. And Raghu sir's interview that was happened last year in 2021, we had one interview with Raghu sir on RERA fundamentals and stuff like that. And one of the home buyer from Pallav also participated, right? So there is a different strategy that we need to build across to make any protest or andolan successful, right? So with that note, I wanted to convey a strong message. Social media is powerful, but if you use it in the right way with the strategies in place, and equal participation is very, very, very important. That is, I am seeing lagging in our Karnataka Home Buyers Forum. Unfortunately, I had to tell the truth because I'm talking with data points. I'm talking with facts. If you just go and search, I can see only Malka Irani and Green Buyers Associations and Deepa ma'am, or 5-6 people who are posting about it. 6 people can make a difference in social media. With 6 people posting, people reach is 34,000. 4-5 people, active people posting is creating 34,000. Imagine if 100 people post 100 into so many 30,000. Imagine the reach. Imagine the reach. So with
Dhananjay,
yeah.
this is Vinod here. Okay,
Yes,
just
sir.
want to check on one thing. You have been talking about copy paste, the content to a personal profile page,
Yes.
right? But there's an option. I have sent you the WhatsApp also now. Screenshot of my personal this one. You have an option called share in that.
Share
Okay,
in profile.
clicking the
Yes.
share,
Share in profile. Yes.
Yeah, in share, it rightly goes to your profile page only.
Exactly. What I'm trying to tell
Okay.
you is when you are doing that share, copy the hashtags and write your emotions.
The hashtags are all connected out there itself. When you're sharing it, there's nothing lost in that share.
No, sometimes
Because
what
if you
happens,
see at my profile,
sometimes
if you see at my sharing, if
Mhm.
you see at my sharing, what I've been doing it, all the
Can you just share
content
the screen?
which you
Can
post.
you share the screen?
Now, I will not be able to do that because there are a lot of other things. I don't want to get into that. But
No,
if
no
you want, I
problem.
can. Sorry.
No problem. Please go ahead.
Okay. See, whenever I'm sharing, right? If you want, I have done the present what online which is going on now, right? A live
Mhm.
telecast. I've done the sharing of that also.
What is
Okay.
your Facebook ID?
Vinod K. Mice.
1 second.
You have it. Of the
Vinod?
6 people you're talking about, right?
Vinod K.
Who are sharing every day.
Vinod Kumar, right?
Yes, I'm one of them.
Okay, 1 second. Let me just, because what happens now, sometimes this Facebook also may not fetch it right. That is why when
Yeah.
you're sharing these, this is the same Vinod Kumar.
No, not this one. Yeah, not this one.
Vinod.
There's a couple photograph.
This one?
My wife's photograph is there. In
This
that.
one?
Well, I'm not able to see that because I'm looking at mobile. 1 second.
Okay, the multiple Vinod Kumars are there.
Not that. 1 second. I'll just.
Okay, send me the link, no?
Yeah, 1 second. I'll send you.
So we'll take live examples and tell why it is not fetching. See, when you are copying, you can give a share options from your mobiles. If somebody is connected to mobile, they can do it live now itself. When you are sharing in mobile, you will get a share option to your profile, right? So copy the content and then paste it and then share. So you are sharing the page content, and along with that, you also include the content. I will just give an example instead of, let me.
Okay, I just shared you on the WhatsApp.
1 second. Let me open mine. Okay, if you look at here, the way I am doing it is.
Okay, Dhananjay, there's another thing I can.
1 second.
Vinod,
sir, let me complete this. Give me a second. Where is that Karnataka Home? This one, right? So live, I am sharing as is and also copying the content. So in this case, what happens? Even sometimes if it misses to catch up from here, it will fetch from here as well. Whenever I click Home Doka, I will get mine also and Karnataka Home Buyers also. So that means different users it will fetch. It is talking about people who are posting about this, right? So when I search this, I am unable to get people who are posting this because it is not fetching a hashtag in your personal profile. That is why whenever you share, please share with hashtags. Okay, and now your link is there.
On that link, I'll send it across.
1 second.
The other way you can go is the content you have shared, right?
In WhatsApp, you have shared.
This one, content shared. You'll get that the number of 6 or 7. Number of people who are sharing. You get that link in that also.
1 second.
Who are all shared.
If you go to our page statistics, page content, we'll get to know how many people liked, how many people shared, and how many people viewed and all. See, that is one aspect. But what I want is hashtag has to increase. See, when you're talking about strategies, right? People look at how many people are talking about this particular subject, and it is driven by hashtags. For example, Home Doka, or example, Chief Minister of Karnataka, right? When we start posting about this, then if 1,000 people tag Chief Minister of Karnataka, Housing Minister, Prime Minister, then attention will be taken up. You're getting my point. It's not about, whether it comes, whether I share it or not. No, what is the objective? Objective is the message has to go to the respective people who are talking about this, who are responsible for making things happen. Who's responsible people? It is a housing minister, it is a revenue minister, it is the chief minister, it is the prime minister. Why we cannot tag the bureaucrats? We cannot question them in the right platform. Social media is blocked for bureaucrats, by the way, whether you know this order or not. Social media, you cannot, some order I saw in the past saying that, you should not post anything in social media for bureaucrats.
Bureaucrats as well as for defense also.
Whatever, right? So there is some regulations that is in place in India. That is why we always target the respective elected representatives who are made to make things happen. Okay, housing minister, revenue minister, chief minister, and the prime minister. These are the people whom we have to use the hashtag and let 1,000 posts per day content gets generated with the hashtag revenue minister, with the hashtag Somanna. Let it go. You're getting the point. The strategy is there, but execution, I can't do myself alone unless all home buyers join hand. There are different digital technologies that exist of creating a bots and making a lot of people. You will see that, you know, the moment a video comes up, you will see already 100K views. How they do it? They use bots. We don't want to use any bots. We don't want to go any unethical things. We want honest home buyers. I am once again repeating, Karnataka Home Buyers Forum is a honest protest. Karnataka Home Buyers Strategy is a honest platform. We will not use any digital marketing stunts to increase your views. We want each one of the home buyers to come forward and then share in your profile. Until unless that happens, unique users, unique home buyers, this Andolan will not be successful. Vinod sir, sorry, can you paste that in chat? I'm unable to get your link. Okay, any questions? Any other questions before we address Vinod sir? Anybody has a question? Any doubts about the hashtags and how to use it? Guys, Facebook, it has got 3 billion monthly users. We don't have to be active in all the platforms. Let us take only 2 important ones that we have taken, Twitter and Facebook. Today, let us focus only on Facebook. In some other session, we will use the Twitter as well. Because if I do everything at one shot, it becomes too much to consume, right? So this is very important. If somebody says, sir, I don't have a Facebook account only, what should I do? I will just give a quick view in terms of how to create a Facebook account. So just go to the portal www.facebook.com. Since I'm already an existing user, my account will get populated here. So there is an option to log out. Let me log out from my account. Okay, there is an option. If you look at whenever you type Facebook, this is a page what you get. Facebook, username. This is you have to use your personal email ID to log in, get an account, and the password how you like it. If you don't have it, your first thing is to create a new account. Give your first name, surname, mobile number, password, date of birth, whether male or female, and then just sign up. Very, very simple steps. The moment you complete this, you will get your social media account, Facebook account. Very easy steps. This will identify your identity and ensure that you enable your multi-factor, so that you can avoid the frauds. Over a period of time, I will explain how to secure your account and stuff like that. But important aspect is first create an account. Create account, and then after your account is being created, right? You can log in with your username and password, and then you need to start building your friend list, families and stuff. I have around 4,900K friends in my profile with varieties of media persons, leaders in the industries and social activists, all kinds of people, right? Singers, Bollywood and Hollywood friends, national level leaders, regional level leaders, corporate level leaders, and every aspects of people are there in my list. And at least 30 to 35 reporters are there in my friends list. Any discussions that happens will go very, very viral, right? So a lot of things, the way you need to build is you need to build your profile. You need to build your strong profile to make a physical presence, right? So the way I also capture some of my activities at an individual level is whenever I post anything, I will just use the hashtag called Dhananjaya. There are 2.3 people posting about this. There is one more hero called Dali Dhananjaya. His post also will get posted. what happens whenever Dali Dhananjaya post comes, whenever people search Dhananjaya, all my protest, all my things also will be added along with hero Dali Dhananjaya also. You're getting my point? See, Green Beret Association is also, I don't know, I think, sir, you are using my hashtag, please remove it. So whenever I post on some of these aspects, I use my personal hashtag. The purpose is let it reaches to all the areas wherever it is possible. I usually put it on my personal account whenever I'm posting. Whenever I'm posting from my personal account, I will put my hashtag as well. Right? So the messaging is wherever it is possible. 2.3 people, when people talking about it, our home buyers protest also will get into this. Whenever somebody is talking about Dali Dhananjaya, it will also get, get an attention on the hashtags. My name is also Dhananjaya, his name is also Dhananjaya. I can't help his problem or my problem, whether he likes it or I don't like it, it is a different issue, right? But 2.3K people, the message will go. That's more important for me as a social activist. Is that clear? So that is why whenever we create a strategies, we use hashtags as per the need. Any questions? So probably in the interest of time, I think we already surpassed the planned activity.
Mr. Dhananjaya,
Yes,
this is Rajagopalan.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I was very active in Facebook till 1.5 years back. No, I came out of that because there was a scam. Somebody hacked into my account and started sending financial request and all.
Yeah.
So that's why I had to come out of that.
Yeah.
So I use only Twitter. But in Twitter, I find a lot of limitations. Since you already said we will take it in another session, maybe I'll wait for that.
Yeah.
So that is
so
one
my
of the reasons,
suggestions are, please create a Facebook account. The reason is 3 billion users. Imagine the amount. And the Twitter is 300 to 400 million.
Correct,
It is 10 times bigger. You're getting the point. See,
Sure,
Facebook is an area where the sentiments are catched very fast, and that is why even the frauds are increasing. I will explain in subsequent session.
That's a problem, the security.
No, you can't. Don't need to fear. There is a multi-factor authentication technique. What does it mean? You need to secure your password. Keep changing the password, whether it is Facebook or any other account. Anybody can hack. I showed you. I am managing 15 pages. So far, there is no attacks. Okay. Last week, there was one attack on Twitter where I have immediately I got an alert on my mobile because multi-factor was enabled. Without I am saying yes on my mobile, nobody can do anything on my social media accounts. You're getting my point? Okay. You need to ensure the way you secure your banking passwords. Social media accounts also need to be protected. Enable the multi-factor authentication and mobile verification. The moment any other third party, for example, nowadays it is all very, very secured manner Facebook is protecting. If somebody other than your regular machine, for example, I'm using this particular laptop for accessing Facebook. Tomorrow, if I log in a public, another laptop or a personal laptop, it will ask in my mobile saying that, sir, this particular IP is trying to get into your account. Are you the person or should I deny the access? So such a intelligence is built in, but only thing is, this is a digital property. You need to take care of your accounts.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, please don't fear because somebody hacked your account and then you don't want to use Facebook. This is not acceptable, sir, because the way banking accounts are hacked, nowadays social media accounts are getting hacked. Because there is already a social media presence being built among a person, because this gives an identity of a person in social media. You're getting the point, because this is driven by emotions. And if somebody want to take advantage, for example, I get the way you mentioned in social media, I will tell you some of the scams. People will create an account with your photo, they download your photo and they create another account and they will start connecting your friends as a friend. They will send a friend request to them and then they will start asking, sir, can you give me this amount? Can you give me that account? Can you, I'm in a hurry.
That's exactly what happened. That's exactly what
happens. Happens everyone. I will walk you through. I got one request from Mr. PC Mohan's duplicate account. PC Mohan, I know them. And immediately I said, boss, I'm not going to give single rupee. Go and do whatever you want. I told. The moment I told, he just vanished. And these are all bots. Sometimes I will tell you, these are all created by bots as well. And the moment you tell them that you identified them, they will immediately vanish. The page will get vanished. So don't worry about the hacking and stuff, because it is bound to happen in a digital world. Please ensure you protect your interest.
So,
Right? The way you maintain your password secure, your password safe in banking accounts, you need to ensure you do the same thing for other accounts as well.
So the second concern I had was, see, we are doing so many things, including, in Twitter and all, we are trying to post, but it seems to be only one way, in the sense that, we don't, it's not a, interactive thing. We don't get any response or anything. So after some time, probably,
who is not responding, sir? Who is not responding?
No, if you take, for example, if you tag RERA Karnataka,
don't worry,
or,
sir,
so,
I will tell you one thing. Don't expect any response from them. Don't expect any response from the problem. If you appraise them, saying that, sir, you are doing a wonderful job, sir, they will say, thank you, thank you, thank you. But if you say, hey, nan magane nin kelsa mattilla kanaya antandre, they will just keep quiet. See, this is how system works. It is a human psychology. The moment you blame somebody saying that it is not getting done, nobody will respond to you in social media. The moment you say, sir, you are super boss, sir, you are doing wonderful job, sir, then they will say, oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. So this is a human psychology. It is applicable to everyone, right? If you are a honest person, you will respond. There are people, for example, I want to quote this. There's one incident which happened a couple of days back or last week, where one farmer was harassed by Mahindra sales people in Tumkur. Immediately he bought 10 lakh rupees and he made such a hangama, and he, whatever, he is a victim because he wanted to purchase a car, but he was denied his rights. And after a couple of weeks, Mr. Mahindra, the owner of the particular car, who's a CEO of a company, who's MD of a company, posted in their Twitter handle saying that, wish you all the best, welcome to Mahindra family. That shows the leadership. You're getting my point. So not all the leaders will accept the mistakes of their people. Why we are not able to understand the system? Why the system is not working? Because there's no one who is questioning them in a right channel. Whether we will stop questioning if they don't answer, please don't do that. Leave the strategies. Leave the strategies to the strategist. We know how to get information and how to make things happen.
Okay.
Right? So please do not stop asking questions just because they're not responding. In last 2 months, I will walk you through all the 15 publications that has been came out. How that 15 publications came in last 2 months, where everything was so silent. So there is a system, there is a systematic way to deal with the problem, and we will work according to that. What request myself and Raghu sir and the people who are working on some of these aspects and how to take this forward is to join hand and follow some of the directions in the interest of all the home buyers. I just gave an example of hashtag Home Dhoka. I want to see 5,000K users. I know how to make it increase, but I want each one of you guys to start doing it. With that note, probably I want to close this session. Before we close, can we have everyone on the video mode, please? Request everyone to come on video mode. I will take a digital snap. So hope the session was useful, and please follow. This is a recorded one and a very, very important session for all the home buyers. I have explained how to create a Facebook account, how to use hashtags, and how it is effective, how to tag people, and strategies. Please leave it to strategists and learn from some of these aspects. Whenever we discuss internally, when it is not a live session, we will explain in a core team how to build the strategies around this. Because this is a public platform, we don't want to disclose the strategies, because strategies should not be disclosed. It has to be executed, right? And then one of the important strategy from the Home Buyers Forum is to educate, because we need to educate our home buyers the impact that we can create using social media, right? And I request everyone to please put on your video. Very, very important. I have 17 people participant, but I see only 6 people on video. Please request everyone. We are only a couple of minutes left. We'll take photo and then we'll leave. Request everyone to be on video mode, please. I still see Ashish Kumar is not on video. Deepa ma'am not on video. Divakar sir not on video. Motto Mithil Rao not on video. Priyanka not on video. Sachin not on video. Please come out of this. Please come out openly and fight for your rights. Please come up, please put on the video, please. Because I want to take a digital snap, right? Because the message is we are digital strategists, right? Our tools or whatever toolkit, whatever you call for our fighting for our rights is social media. And without identity of a person, we cannot drive this momentum. Honest identification of home buyers is very, very important. And if somebody is dishonest, if you are not a home buyer or if you don't want to fight for home buyers' rights, please don't need to join any sessions. We want honest home buyers who are transparent to fight for the justice. Because it is not only for my rights, it is for everybody's rights and your kids. And tomorrow I request everyone also to join who's interested. Because tomorrow your kid or your neighbor, anybody can get impacted because of the poor implementation of RERA. If we don't fight now, we will repent in the future. We cannot answer to our kids. We had the opportunity to fight, but we missed the boat. Let us not do that. Let us all fight together. I still see Priyanka not on video. I still see Sachin. Unless everybody comes on video, I will not leave. Sorry, I'm a teacher by passion. I'm an IT director by profession, but teacher by passion. I will not leave any student unattended. So request everyone to be on video, please. Divakar sir, you are my first student. Abdul sir, Abdul bhai, I want to see you. Yes, Divakar sir came. Abdul bhai, we are waiting for you to take a digital picture. And Deepa ma'am has gone for video off. Deepa ma'am is doing a wonderful job in driving in Web City. Deepa ma'am, we don't want to miss you in our digital picture. We are waiting for...
Just 1 second. I'm having my dinner.
No problem. We'll capture with the dinner only. We'll not come for dinner. Don't worry.
No,
because probably you can have one spoon in the mouth.
Huh?
You can, Deepa ma'am can have one bite and, come on the video then.
Abdul bhai, we are still waiting. Anil Kumar, we are waiting. Please put your video on because it's already time. Our Home Doka series is yet to start in 30 minutes. I wanted to take a little break before the next session. Request everyone to come on. Abdul bhai, Ajo bhai.
Yeah, I came.
Okay. Abdul sir is missing. Abdul bhai came. Oh, it's nice.
Yeah.
I will not leave any of my students, sir. Sorry. And Sachin sir, you are not there. Sachin sir, one person, it will complete the screen. Sachin sir, Sachin M. Last call. Because this screen will be complete. And the last row, we have 3 people. I want to see one more person on the last row. Sachin sir. Okay, let me take a snap because if everybody... Very, very important because, please go back and watch the session once again. This is a recorded one. And please start exercising, use of power of social media. And with that note, I wanted to thank each and every one of you. I think many of you are already experts in the social media. Vinod sir and all of you guys are already active in social media and stuff like that. And Subrata is very active on Twitter and Himanshu is very active. Only thing is, don't share only your videos, share everybody's video. Whatever comes in Karnataka Home Buyers Forum, just share, like, share with hashtag. That's all. 5 minutes everyday job will help us to get our success. With that note, thanks a lot and have a wonderful day. Dhanyavad.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.